Welcome to Beauty Buzz. Huda Beauty is launching 3 new mini micro eyeshadow palettes. They are not available on the website at the moment. They will be on the 21st of August, but today we are swatching them all, so let's do this. Right, so if you didn't know this already, Huda Beauty is also owning GloWish. Oh my god, it's so satisfying to do this. This might be my favorite eyeshadow palette. It's called Moss. Next palette, it's called Amethyst. This one would be perfect if you have green or hazel eyes. These colors in this palette here will make your eyes pop, which is what we love, right? And last but not least, this eyeshadow palette would be perfect blue or gray eyes. It's called Clay. Let's swatch some of the colors now. I'm gonna start with Moss and I'm gonna go with the shimmery shade. It's super pigmented. The next shade next to this one, and this is the matte shade. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna go for this one as well. It's insanely gorgeous. Hopefully you can see it on the camera well enough. I'm gonna go with the matte shade now. Wow, super pigmented. Just have a look. Let's put this one on my hand as well. Oh my god, I told you. So initially I was like, this is my favorite eyeshadow palette, but I think I kind of love this one more. I don't know, it's hard to decide. Let's go with the next color right here so you can see the difference. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a beautiful transition color. Sadly, these shades don't have a name. I can live with that, right? Then I'm gonna go with this beautiful orange. This is nice as well. Let me put it here. Told you it's nice. It's so nice. As I said, this will be available in the store starting 21st of August and online as well. And I also have another surprise for you, another new launch from Huda Beauty. I'm not saying too much about it in this video because I'm gonna show everything in the next one. I will see you guys